Moving to the question 9, here we solve exponential equations and also inequalities. The first problems are about equations. We have to just solve them directly and round them to 10,000. Now here 10,000 means 10 and 3 zeros. You can count the zeros. There are four zeros, right? So whatever is the answer, now imagine we get 0 point. You'd write 4 digits after the decimal, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you had more than that, round it out to only 4 digits. So that is the concept here. And to solve them up, you can easily solve using calculator. So it is 4 to the power 5, and k is the variable. Put it as x and press next, and now press equal to 37 and shift solve and then press equal to. That be the answer. Please leave some time in your calculators. It might take few seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Leave it as it is. Don't press AC or on. Then you have to redo it. So let it give it about 15 seconds. You will get the answer. And that's the answer. Now rounding off to 4 digits, it's 5209. And this is it. They have just asked to solve the equation. You don't need to do the check and everything. Even over here, directly a to the power x equals 50. Shift and solve, and then equal to, here you go, that's the answer. Round it off to the nearest 10,000. That means 128 becomes 13. The reason why I'm saying is give some time, because I've tried solving most of the problems here in my physical calculator. It takes a long time, but you will get the answer. There's another way. If you want to, if imagine you're just getting an error, clear your calculator, shift 9 3 equal and AC, and then what you need to do is press ln and type the equation at the left side. That is 7 to the power x, and close the bracket. That will be equal to what? Ln 15. Just put ln on both the sides and then press shift and solve, and then equal to. It will be reasonably quicker than the other way around if you just write the equation. But anyways, the answers would be the same. It is 166. Round it off, it'll be 7. So that's it. And even over here, you can try them by yourself and then check for the answers here. Let's go to the inequality part over here. So let's solve this up. It is 2.4 to the power x plus 4, that is equal to 30. Shift solve and then equal to, it's negative 0.11499. This last two digits, it's 9, it becomes 0 and 5, it changes 49 to 50. Okay, that's how we get that. And now we have inequalities. Here doesn't matter. See, all your problems in this question, topic 9, is having only one variable x at one side only. Not both the sides are exponential, isn't it? So you just type it out as it is. That is 3x minus 1. That will be equal to 21. Okay. And just press shift. Instead of this inequality, you just press equal to, shift and solve, and then press equal to. It'll take some time, but you will get the answer. It's 0.85. Now the value of x, how do you write it is, x will be greater than or equal to 0.8549. This is the answer. Because I rounded off to the nearest 10,000. That's the answer. So this inequality remains. Now all the problems over here, I'll just show you, all the problems can be solved in the calculator and you will get the answer directly. Whatever is the inequality, you just write it as it is. Okay, this one as well over here. But now I'll just tell you, what if there is another way around, which is not there in your questions, but imagine it was 243, the same question. Less than, say it is less than, and 3x is greater than. Okay. Now what to do in such cases where to the power x is over here? Now you would type in the calculator, right? 243, sorry. It's 243 equals 3 to the power x, isn't it? Now if you press shift and solve, you will get 5. But remember, x is over here. So where do you write the 5? X is here, greater than 5. This is how we would solve it up. So the x, wherever is there, write it down. If it was over here, we got the same answer, 5. You write x greater than 5. Here also x is greater than 5, but remember, where is the power x? that will go down and the number will be on the other side. Okay, so that is very crucial and important. Now this will be x greater than 5, or you can write it as other way around, x is greater than 5. It's the same answer. I hope that is clear. So that's the answer. And here as well. Now if at all you had this particular question like this, 16, okay, that'll be the side, and we had 1 by 4. Imagine this was the question. I've just flipped this inequality. Now this inequality can be written other way around. You can write this first, it's less than, see, it's less than or equal to 1/4, and then you can put in the calculator. This is also fine. Make sure whichever x or the variable is there is written first. But when you write it first, what is the inequality pointing it towards? It's the less than symbol. So this less than is pointing towards the variable, and open side is towards 1/4. So these both are equal. So here I will solve this up. 16 to the power x. You don't have inequality in your calculator. You have to put equal to itself, 1/4, shift solve, and then equal to, you can see here, it's negative 0.5 or negative half. That's the answer. Now here if I put, because I've put, you can see this x is at the left side, shift and solve, x will be below here, or that v value over here, less than or equal to negative 1/2 or 0.5. So whatever the answer you get in the other side. So that's how we solve all these problems. They are all straightforward once you understand the trick. Even over here, it's the same thing. And lastly, we have the same thing over here, 2 to the power x, which is equal to, not less than, press this next, and now equal to 25, shift solve, equals 4.64. Now you need to round it off to the nearest 10, so 4.6439. That's the answer. And that's how you can easily use your calculator and solve the question 9.